Hi guys, welcome to Teach Gambia, filming today from the Strand School. As you can see, my much prettier volunteers behind me. Now, people often ask me when I say that we're trying to change the face of volunteering, what does that actually mean to me? The question I get quite a lot is, what is it that actually made me want to set up a volunteer teaching project in the Gambia? And actually there's a myriad of reasons for that, but I can remember one particular story when I was researching into volunteering projects and volunteer tour projects. This was the story of a girl from New Zealand who I met while I was on the east coast of Africa, on a beach in fact. Now, she'd saved up for 2 years 9,000 Australian dollars, that's about 4,500 British pounds, to do a volunteer teaching project and a tour on the coast of Africa. Now, she gets to her school, absolutely raring to go and actually help out and make a difference in a school. She turns up the next day, everybody's been really nice, she's been shown to her accommodation, but there are no children. So eventually she says, where are the children? It's only then they tell her there are no children. The school was closed and she spent the next 2 weeks painting the walls. When you choose a volunteering programme, I think you need to know that the volunteering programme actually cares about the difference they're making in their local community and about the experience the volunteers get. That is why we at Teach Gambia spend the time we do working with local schools before the volunteer projects actually kick off, so that we know the experience is going to be 100% genuine. Whether you volunteer with us or whether you volunteer with another company, my advice to you would be to make sure that you know that you are making a difference, not being sold the myth of making a difference. Guys, tune in to future videos to get a real sense of what we're doing in the schools we work in and what we're doing to change the face of the volunteer and tour industry. Or alternatively, you can get more information about our summer projects on our website, the link being in the bio. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Okay.